Oh my God, my KTM knows how to iron his clothes already. That really makes Mama's birthday fabulous.
He knows how to iron clothes, but he doesn't know how to fold clothes.
Really? That's going to be the next step, folding clothes.
Marunong ako.
Oh, really? Oh, that's great.
Short stand.
Okay. Tingnan mo, oh, parang Kuya is much better doing it than Mommy. Kasi Kuya, I really don't like ironing clothes and it makes my life so difficult when I do it. I prefer to wash clothes rather than ironing my clothes.
I prefer to fold clothes.
Okay. Oh, tingnan mo, walang gusot yung kay Kuya. Ako every time I iron my clothes, meron at merong natitira. Kinsa na? Imo na, bebe? Oh, sige, let's have Kuya do it for you. Can you?
Can you?
Yay! Thanks, Kuya, for volunteering. Tama si Kuya,
I
oh.
will help you in Roblox. Curious Wish Teacher.
Hey, brothers, help each other.
In Roblox.
I'm so proud of my Kuya, no? He's ready to be independent soon. Do you want to get independent, Kuya? Uy! Iiwan mo na si Mama? What kind of independence do you like?
He wants to live by his own in Singapore.
Ah.
To find him in Singapore.
Let Kuya answer, bebe. Okay, what kind of independence do you like, Kuya?
Cooking.
No? Stop answering on his behalf, darling. Let Kuya speak. Galing mo, walang gusot. Parang may, nakuha mo yung talent na yan kay Daddy. Kasi magganong-ganon siya eh. Come on, Kuya. You haven't answered my question yet.
And you haven't even ironed my pants yet.
You have to wait. He's not done yet with his. Come on. Answer Mama's question. Ano pa yung hula hoop ko? Sa gilid. So, Kuya is...
Where's my H&M jacket?
Thinking of what kind of independence do you want from Mommy? Come on. Don't be afraid to tell it to me. I thought you wanna get out of the house. So, paminsan-minsan ikaw yung mag-chore. That's good because you are preparing for the real life battle, diba? Once you finish high school, you'll get to study in college, and probably you have to live independently from Mama and Daddy. So this will help you. This will prepare you. Okay, look at Kuya's bebe, halika. Look at Kuya's finished product here. It's so cool. Oh, walang gusot. Well done, Kuya TM. I love you.